Hey Trevor, your problem is about 20 cars and that 12% of them don't meet emissions. There's the key. 12% don't meet. That is your Q they're giving you. So 1 minus Q gives you your P, because the question's about at least four more meet emissions. So that's your P they're talking about. So they gave you one that's a flip-flop. Now I looked through some of your other work that your mom sent and it looks good. It looks good. But that's where the tee-up is. On this one is the don't, but yet then they turn around and ask about the positive side. So typically the positive side, something that does happen, tends to be the P, and what doesn't happen tends to be the Q. So also, instead of to do more than 4, we'd have to figure P when x equals 5, x equals 6, x equals 7, x equals 8, x equals 9, all the way up through x equals 20, and then add all those together. However, we do have the complement rule that, remember, when the probability of the event happening plus the probability of the event not happening equals 1. Or, so in this case, the probability of not happening would be 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Backwards. Less calculations. So we're going to figure that. So, your formula is correct. You do the combination. Now, I do write my combinations differently than how you typed them. But it's 20 taken this many ways. And then we have P raised to the R times Q raised to the n minus r. So that's 20 minus 4, which gives us 16. I key that into the calculator, and I end up with 5.4 times 10 to the negative 12. All right, next one. I get 20 taken 3 ways. Of course, 0.88 raised to the r power. And 0.12 times 20 minus 3, which gives me the 17. And what do I get? I figure you don't. I went ahead and keyed all this into the calculator just so that you didn't have to sit here and watch through while I keyed it into the calculator. So I'm going to keep going with the route I'm going. If you notice, these powers are counting down where these are counting up. Next one. And then the last one. All right, now we add all these together. Now I have used 2 different calculators on this. One calculator pops and says 0. The other one gave me that. Notice it's so close to 0, it's choking on it basically. We're going to subtract that from 1 to get, now we don't round properly on this one, because if we do, it rounds to 1. So we leave it, trying to make sure, since we're talking probability, we leave it at 0.999. All right? Travis, good luck.